Alright guys, just pulling up to BMA European, driving a manual, my legs are shaking, it's just so stressful. I am just so nervous because like we are actually, like I've seen this car a couple times, but actually picking it up is just super nerve-wracking because like all my money is going into this car. So it's just super scary, but I think it's gonna be an absolute amazing build. The only one shaking over here. So well, this is
we're nervous
Nick.
out here.
So he's obviously, I mean, this is gonna be like, this is probably the best car you've ever had, right?
Yeah.
I mean,
all time, bro.
This is really hard for you to let go.
This is probably one of the best cars out there, so.
I know, that's why I'm here. Guys, I cannot believe I'm in this car right now. I'm going on AAA right now and I'm putting the car on my insurance because I'm just so scared to drive this thing right now. Like, this is just such a beautiful car. Again, shout out to Nick for the opportunity. Like, what is this color, guys? Oh my Lord. Anyhow, so we are chilling in this car right now. We're gonna have to celebrate today because it is a big day. And like, what do you think of this car, honestly?
I'm in love with it.
It's just too nice. Like when I got the M4, I've always wanted one of the special colors. I wanted manual, and I really wanted a carbon roof, and I really wanted red or white interior. We got the red interior, we got the manual gearbox, we got the carbon roof, and the individual Atlantis blue paint job. This is an absolute dream come true. I'm literally broke, had to even borrow a little bit more money just to get this car because, you know, like,
we had to get it.
We had to get it. This is an opportunity. It's like once in a lifetime, and my boy Nick gave us the opportunity. I really do appreciate him for that. So again, shout out to you, bro. We're gonna be making a lot of videos with Nick. He's starting up a YouTube channel. He actually posted a cinematic of this car on his channel, so make sure to check him out down below. And he's actually gonna be making videos of the 135, and he has a couple other cars as well. He's gonna be doing a couple rebuilds on some exotic cars as well. So pretty exciting stuff. Nick is the guy from BMA European. They provided me with many parts for a lot of my M cars, and also I purchased so many parts for my M cars from them. They're very nice people, very good people. And again, if you guys want to see some genuinely good content, make sure to check out Nick down below. Without further ado, let's go enjoy our day, right? Let's go get something to eat.
You have to be your biggest fan. And when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that. Because you don't know who you're going to be, who you're going to be, who you're going to be.
Alright guys, so I'm sorry for all the road noise. We are out here just enjoying the fresh air, not working on cars for once, but I am heavily in debt. So this car did come with a heavy price, but I'm sure when I said you guys I'm gonna get an amazing M car, I wasn't lying. And check out the new merch, guys. These are very limited. I went ahead and got some, you know, some nice pink jet tags. On one side they say save BMW, on the other says stay humble. You guys already know. God bless. I wouldn't be here without you guys. So thank y'all so much for literally all the support. And you know, we gotta keep moving forward. We gotta get so many mods on this car, bro. I am so excited. We need carbon on carbon. Oh my god, I need to relax. Hold up, wheels. We need more carbon. We need so much more carbon, guys. So yeah, guys, like you guys saw, these key tags and those key tags are very limited. There are only gonna be about 100 of these and 100 of these. So if you guys want to cop them, make sure to check them out down below. Be supporting the channel, and you guys are gonna be on the F80 plaque. This is gonna be the only plaque that I've ever created so far, at least, that's not actually a rebuild. Mainly because I have huge plans for this build, and I want you guys to support it. I want you guys to be featured on the plaque that's gonna be featured in our garage. So yeah, a lot of good stuff. And again, you'll be shout out in the next video. But yeah, that's not the only thing, bro. Jonathan, have you seen the air fresheners, bro?
Yes, sir.
Have you seen the air fresheners, bro?
Have you guys seen the air fresheners?
A lot of you guys love the 435, the 100K one. I think it was 100K or 10K?
Yeah, 100K.
The 100K one. So I brought it back with the M3. And if you guys look at the details, we got the natty plates on there. 50/50 Atlantis blue because it's color shifted. These are also very limited, guys. So for those of you guys who missed out on the 100K one, because that's what people literally always asking me, yo, do you have any more of the 435 ones? Those ones are sold out, never coming back. These are so limited, guys, so make sure you cop them while they're still here. But we're not done yet. We're not done yet. These are some i8 air fresheners. I've never seen any i8 merchandise literally anywhere, and I need to show the i8 some love. So we got the i8 air fresheners. Actually, that's not the only i8 thing we have. We also have the i8 keychain, guys. This is so cool. It won't be damaging this or anything, and it literally just it's so cute, so cute. Oh my goodness. I've never done these before. I think I'm gonna go ahead and start like a keychain collection and in the garage and just have one of like every single build we ever do. So instead of like just a picture, I'm gonna have keychains. And like I said, guys, for everything you guys see here, the air fresheners, these keychains, these are all so limited. I literally only ordered 100 of each thing, mainly because I really want this drop to be limited. Then we can move forward and do something creative with the both builds. I just want to do this so limited for those of you guys who actually sticked around for this exact moment. And I really appreciate all you guys for the constant support. And these ones I think are the coolest thing ever, guys. Look at how close that is to the paint. Literally the M3 right here in a keychain, same exact way. If you guys want to collect these, that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm literally going to have like a huge plaque just collecting all the keychains for all the builds. For those of you guys who do it as well, make sure you guys tag me because I think that's awesome. And like I said, guys, for everyone that cops these merch, they're very limited, only 100 of each, and you'll be shot in the next video. And what is the last thing we have? And then we got literally Save the Manuals air fresheners. For those of you guys who love manuals and you always tell me, no, you gotta save the manuals. I heard you guys. So we got literally save the manuals, save the BMW air fresheners. Somewhere over here I'm gonna be posting a picture. I mean, I don't know, man. Also only 100 of those as well. So yeah, guys, again, I'm just so hyped. This has been a dream build. We've been getting knocked down like back to back with the 335, with the 7 Series, with the M5. And I just wanted something that we're gonna enjoy on the channel, and I'm just super excited. Yeah, guys, we are here with both the cars, the beautiful M car, one of 59 Atlantis blue M3s. I couldn't believe it when I saw it. Has the manual gearbox, the red interior, the individual Atlantis blue paint job. I mean, guys, look at this spec, the carbon roof. Hold up, boys. Look at that. Like, I'm just speechless. We got so many plans for the M3, but as of right now, me and Jonathan, we've been grinding, we've been working a lot, and I think we deserve a meal, honestly.
I want In-N-Out. I want a double.
He wants In-N-Out. I want a double. And
you guys.
we just gotta relax. I have had a lot of sleepless nights dealing with all the other builds, and I think it's about time that we honestly just go relax, get a bite, get something to drink, just relax a little bit, and then we'll be straight into the mods of the F80. Hopefully in the next video or the video after that. Without further ado, guys, I love y'all so much. Remember to stay humble. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.